Hello, guys! To begin personalizing your Bible, place the alignment guide under the chosen page, aligning it perfectly with the top and the right edge. Check the guide. Use markings A, B, and C for 4-tab columns, or A, B, and D for 5-tab columns. Choose your tab and peel it off. Then, slide it between the page and the guide, matching the tab's number with the number on the ruler. Press to attach and fold it over. Don't worry if you make a mistake. The material is high quality and can be carefully removed and repositioned if adjusted immediately. Now, follow the sequence for the next books. For the second book, use position number 2 and continue until you reach number 5. Once you finish position 5, simply restart the cycle back at position number 1. This creates that beautiful staggered look. And here's a special tip. Your alignment guide is also a beautiful bookmark. Don't throw it away. Carefully detach it along the edges to get an exclusive accessory for your daily readings. And you're done! Your Bible is now organized, beautiful, and ready for your study journey.